Welcome to Overflowing Wealth. This is the channel where I will teach you how to make money and make it easy with little or no capital. And I want to sincerely appreciate you for the last comment you dropped in the last video. It was encouraging and I promise to bring more of them. If you are new to this channel, please kindly click the subscribe button, smash the notification bell so that you'll be the first to get the videos anytime I drop them. And do well to comment in the comment section below on your views, on your own business ideas you feel you want to go into and you need guidance or help about, so that I can do a follow-up on that for you. In this particular video, I'm going to give you some business ideas that you can start with little or no capital. I tell you honestly, this is a sure business that you should consider. And I would, the first one on the list here is a mini catering or snacks making. Now you can start this roadside snack making. Do meat pie, fish pie, puff puff. You do that, you'll be so surprised that the way people buy these things on their way to work, to school, in the streets, before you know it, and this cost little amount of money with say 5-10,000 naira. You can start that, and before you know it, you can increase your capacity in that, and by the time you start that, you just get a cooler, put pure water, bottled water, soft drink there. You just expand from there. So please consider this. And it's not about just you selling it, it's about you packaging it. And the way you package the idea, of course, that makes the difference. And then number two is bottled water and soft drink. These now people always take that, even if there is no people who don't have job, people even who are going about looking for job. At a point they get thirsty and they just want to buy something to cool down their thirst and to refresh themselves. So please consider these soft drinks and bottled water. And with this, with 5,000, 10,000, you can start this. You don't need to own a refrigerator. If you have that, cool, that will be an advantage. But if you don't, you will have all these wholesalers. They already have them chilled in their freezers. You just go there, buy, or you go get an ice block. You just get a cooler, then you put it there. Anywhere, you don't need to rent a shop, probably in front of your house, the roadside, or just look for a shop and just tell them you need to put it there. And before you know it, and people are making a lot of money from it. You can imagine you buying a pack of pure water or a pack of bottled water, and if you check it out, you see that these guys are really making money, and this is what people consume every day. In fact, per minute, per second, people will patronize you. So please consider these two. And another business I want to talk about is selling of fruits. People who sell pineapples, apple, watermelon, they buy it. By the time you buy one pineapple for 300 naira, by the time you cut it and package it in the nylon, you just cover that it's going to be around 600, 700. And so that means on the 300 naira, you have made 100% profit already. So you can now imagine if you now cut off like 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 of it per day. With watermelon, the same thing. If you buy a watermelon of say 200 naira, you cut it, you see that you sell it for 500 thereabout. So that's over 100% profit per day. And this is what people really want to take. Oranges and all the likes, check all the fruit, and you don't need a space so much for this. Wherever you can just put it on the roadside or beside somebody's shop. You just ask them, can you just ask for a space, and you put it there, and you just be surprised how much you'll be making every day. Please, I want you to consider this. I want you to give it a try, because people see this and people trivialize this, and they don't know that this is the way to start really, and this is the way to start earning money. Now another thing I want you to consider as a business is laundry services. You can help people wash their clothes, iron it, and then you get paid. And you don't need to really go for Start with people around you, start with the neighborhood, start with the community, start with friends and family. And before you know it, people will give you, you just wash in your room, you just dry it, then you iron it, then you deliver, and you start to expand from there. Of course, the idea is not to just do it and to keep it that way. The idea is to start and to expand it from there. And as you start, the new ideas will be flowing in, and you can expand your capacity with that. And another business I want to talk about is making of popcorns. I tell you, this is good business to do. Making of popcorns, and you don't need to even have the machine yet. Of course, it's good if you have the popcorn making machine, but if you don't, you can use your frying pan, use your stove, or use your gas, and just do it. Give it a try, and you do it, you package it, you see those kids around. You can even go to shops where they sell all these provisions and supply them, put it in their shops. Don't tell them, don't say they should buy from you, just keep it with them. When they sell, you come back to take the money, and they take their profit, they take their own share there too. So it's a business idea that is very good. And if you buy the corn seeds for so cheap, start with as little as 2,000, 3,000. Then by the time you pop it, you just, because people are really making money. These are things that people really like taking like that, and before you know it, you can't really fill them up, but they just enjoy, taking it, and before you know it, money is flowing in into your own pocket. So please consider this too. And another thing like it is making of plantain chips. Just like the popcorn, you just fry plantain chips. In fact, people around you, by the time you start frying, the aroma will have been flying around. They will be looking for where they are frying that. So by the time you bring it out, people will just patronize you and buy it from you. And you can also supply to the provision stores or grocery stores. They sell for you, and you come back to pick the money when when it's sold. Then you'll be fine with it, and you can start making and be dropping it with like different grocery stores. Of course, you become a distributor with time and can expand it with that. Now another business that you can start also with little capital is selling of underwears. Selling of underwears like ladies pants, bra, men boxers, singlet, and the rest of them is a good business. You can start with little amount. So you have people around you, you have close associates, you have people maybe where you work in your neighborhood and the like. You just buy as little as you can from those who sell wholesale. Then you can now start to expand things from there. Put it on your WhatsApp status, put it on your Facebook page, and and people will see you, dealing with that. And people, of course, you talk to people too around. Then that's a business, and you begin to expand. And don't forget, this is about you expanding business, starting out and expanding and making money on daily basis. Please kindly do well to subscribe to this channel, then comment on the comment section below which of these business are you interested in starting. Comment there so that I can follow up with you, I can put you through and give you a guideline. Then you can see that in no time you can thrive. And another business you can start again is a real estate agent. As a real estate agent, you don't have to own an office. You just see any vacant houses, any vacant rooms. Just talk to the owner of the house or the landlord or the person in charge. Tell them you can help them bring people who come to occupy the spaces, and you tell them you get your commission on that. Then you talk to the client, to person looking for, you tell them, you just link them up, and you start making money. And you can also put this on your social media platforms, telling people what you do, show them the vacancies you have. You'll be amazed at the way people will be chasing you around, because people who know people who need will always contact you on behalf of their people too. So, and from this you can expand. So I will stop here now. Please do well to subscribe to this channel. Please click the notification button so that you'll be the first to get the video anytime I post them. Thank you for watching this video, and stay in an overflowing wealth.